So then how do you go about, like, conceptualizing a preset pack and creating a preset pack? Because 'Cause you've got all kinds of preset packs. You've got synthwave, you've got cyberpunk, you've got dark synth, you've got, like, chill and vaporwave and synth pop, all kinds of stuff. So, like, how do you go about creating that? Do you have to go and listen to a bunch of songs in that genre and kind of break
Yeah.
down sounds, or yeah,
Well,
how do you do that?
for that, obviously, we all have music we prefer, right? So I love genres. Some others I like all music, but some are my favorites, right? But to get to the point to 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 make something in a genre, you got to soak yourself in it. So, for example, my next pack is going to be electropop. So right now I am listening to Madion and Porter Robinson like nonstop, all their songs, all the things they're doing. So I just can like this active listening what they're doing. A lot of glitches in here, some basses like Justice in here. Then there are some chords like Flume. They're mixing a lot of stuff. So, but if I didn't hear it like previously, I will sit in my computer and do how do I do that, right? So I try to always listen. So let, let's guess like I want to start a new Serum pack in August. Maybe 2 weeks late before I start listening to the music in that genre in my car, mostly in my car. so so that's once I get to the studio I do stuff, but once I get out I have playlists, so
Hmm.
I put it on a playlist and listening. Maybe I go to the beach, 1 hour trip.
Nice. Go to the beach. That's big
Yeah,
tip right there. That sounds no, go to a place where it's, you can be inspired. That's good. Are there a few strategies, techniques, or just elements of sound design that you've picked up just from doing this? Like, wow, I didn't think of doing that before, or wow, that's a really interesting technique that would just be a cool sound to use no matter what genre you're making. I don't know, it's just anything that's really stood out to you that you thought
yeah.
was really cool.
This is something I learned a while ago, but it really stuck to me once I start making packs like they use organic sounds like guitars, natural bass lines, like indie pop, dream pop. You have all this. If you have like a way to record yourself, so the sound you want, don't use effects, right? So just the dry signal. Grab a C note and record the guitar you want through the amp you want. And when you have this one shot, load it to the wavetable inside your synth. This way you can create organic sounds
Okay.
through a wavetable form. It, a lot of people do it, right?
Right.
But it was something that really stuck to me when making something feel a bit more organic, feel a lot more organic, right? So I have my guitar. I don't know if you can see them, but I have a guitar and a bass,
Yeah, I saw that.
and so I recorded through an amp, through something, and then I load it into the wavetable inside Serum, and then you have to tweak a little stuff and stuff like that. But and after that, use the velocity to modulate the level of your oscillator, because guitar players and bass players, they don't always record at the same level. The imperfections of their playing is what it makes perfect. So play a little bit with the velocity of the sound when you're creating, and I love that tip. So
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, I've wondered about that because I know you can, like, put in your own wave, tables, so I've never gone about really doing that. I've wondered, yeah, like, there's organic instruments like you mentioned, but have you ever tried just, like, recording random stuff, around your house or outside or whatever and use those as wavetables, or does that never really work out?
I've done it, not from the packs. Sometimes I do sound effects from commercials, movies, series, stuff like that sometimes. And I do it when I have something coming up like that, to have a bank so I can use. So I've recorded, like, I don't know,
Hmm.
the sound of the cell phone, and I have some banks like you can call it effects, right? So, but those are like personal for me to use, like when I have to make the sound effects of commercial or something like that, and I use those.
Okay, so you like basically created your own like Foley. Is that what that's called?
Yeah, Foley's inside Serum. I don't know why, but I like the way I can, I can play with them a little bit more on inside Serum than outside
Interesting.
Serum.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, if you want more help producing professional quality music from home or finishing more music faster, then be sure to grab my rapid song finishing checklist in the description below, or go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/mixing checklist. Inside, you'll discover the proven step-by-step mixing system for creating radio-worthy music from home. You'll discover this one crucial step that you need to do before mixing to get high-quality mixes. You'll learn a proven step-by-step mixing order, so you'll know what to do first, second, and third, so you're not caught chasing your tail and constantly remixing and maybe making things sound worse over time. And you'll discover how to quickly master your music for consistent radio-worthy results every time. Again, this is all inside of a free guide you can get in the description below, or go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/mixing checklist. That being said, if you want some more awesome music production tips and tricks, then be sure to click the video on the screen right now. That'll take you to another great video to help you make better music. With that, have an awesome day and keep creating.